Last day at the resort. How was your stay?
Good.
It was good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, all right. We're gonna have some breakfast now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you gonna wanna come back to the Dominican Republic?
Mm-hmm.
I know. It was pretty cool.
At least this is our last day and we're gonna have all the fun today.
In the pool? You better believe it.
I do believe it.
All right. The next time we come back, right, Johnny Cakes?
What?
You have to know how to swim, so you're gonna go snorkel with Daddy, right?
In the pool?
No, in the ocean, Johnny Cakes.
But Daddy, the ocean is so like
You wanna see it?
salty.
Yeah, but remember you have the face mask on and you don't taste the salt?
Yeah, but I would rather feel like the pool's better.
We could do the pool as well.
Yay.
That's no problem, Johnny Cakey Wakey Bakies.
Oh, by the way, my favorite part of Punta Cana is the swamp that has all the turtles in.
It's not a swamp, John. It's a pond.
Oh.
It's a regular pond. And they're cleaning it now. And look, not only that, they have ducks. Hey, ducky ducky. Hey, ducky ducky.
What is this?
I saw them this morning. But come on, let's have breakfast. Come on. And then when we come back, we can take a look at them, okay?
Those turtles are my friends.
I know, I like them too. So,
So where did Mom go to dinner?
breakfast over here. It was good being here. You enjoy yourself, right? You enjoy that pool?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too, Johnny Cakey Wakies.
Hey, look, there's one of our turtle friends.
Yeah. What's up, turtle friend?
Oh, there's another one.
Come on. There's no one in this big pool. Maybe we can come by in the big main pool and say, what's up, big main pool?
And swim in it?
Yeah.
But this is the one near the restaurant that we're going to.
Huh?
But it's the one near the restaurant that we're going to.
Yeah, the breakfast place? Yeah. That breakfast? Yeah. You want to swim in here?
Yeah. It's not. It looks.
Yeah.
Is the up floor?
What happened?
Is it the up floor?
No, it's the ground
The one we
floor.
always go to?
Yeah, the one we always go to.
Oh boy.
Why, you don't like it? How is the food?
Good, but it is nice.
Okay.
But I like this one up here better.
But it had no AC last night.
Yeah, but it felt good.
Morning.
I mean, I didn't need AC.
Okay.
So, where's Mom?
Mom is there already.
What?
Breakfast. We're gonna miss this place. Where do you want to go next? Do you want to go back to Aruba?
Yeah. Aruba was nice. It had a lot of pools.
Okay. But what about the beach?
Yeah, the beach is better than this beach.
The Aruban beach was better than here?
Yeah.
Okay. Not a lot of waves, right? The here has a lot of waves.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Alright. Going in for breakfast. And hola, ¿cómo estás? Come on, let's go get mom. I don't know, let's go find mom. Come on. Whoever finds her first is the winner. Sorry. Christmas.
When will you keep the t-shirt?
Come here. Hey, John. Hola, ¿cómo está? We are here with the mumsies and the matsies.
Hi, we have sourdough bread. John, what are you thinking? You want bread or do you want pancake? Right over here? You over here?
I want that rolly thing that has
Okay, so then you want to go get it?
Alright, last thing here, let me show you what they got. We got the breads, starting with the breads. I think this is the crepe station. The crepe station. More breads. That's all the sides. Fruits are over here. Every day is the same, I feel. Eggs, rolls. Over here. Oh, it's the same as yesterday. We got eggs, jalapeno, something, omelet, pancakes on this side of it. Hola. We got plain eggs, we got sausage, potatoes. I don't know what those things are. We got it. The orange juice stand over here. So the best part of this is this juice bar. It's ridiculous. Papaya, melon, watermelon. These things are freshly squeezed and it is just delicious. In the middle, you got some olives, some corn, and I don't know what that is. And I guess these are the turkey, bacon, chicken slices. Don't know what that is. Poached eggs, papaya. Don't know what that is. Over there is another egg station as well. Pretty decent, and let's keep on moving. Oh, over here. I don't know what that is. Definitely don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Definitely the first spot is the best. Look at this. This is great. Every day I feel it's pretty much the same. Every day I feel it's pretty much the same, but it's good. Like in my previous videos, there's nothing wrong with it. It's fine. And they do not cook it with too much spices or whatever, salt or pepper. It's just pretty much bland, but you know, I think they cook it for as much acceptance as possible. So I'm gonna put the GoPro down and I am gonna go get myself some breakfast, show you what I got. Okay, bye.